Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the devices. Charge the watch above 20% and keep the phone close. Open Noisefit on your phone, then tap Devices and select your watch. Once connected, navigate to Watch Faces or Wallpaper. This begins the process. Make sure Bluetooth stays active. If the app prompts for permission, accept it. These steps set the link between phone and watch so that image transfer will succeed and they avoid interrupted uploads or mismatches. Now you select or upload the wallpaper. Tap Add or Upload to pick a photo from your gallery, or choose a built-in face if you prefer. Crop the image to match the watch aspect ratio. That avoids cut-off elements when displayed. Use quick edit tools for brightness and contrast so icons remain readable. Once the preview looks right, confirm the selection. This step controls how the final wallpaper appears, so take a moment to refine it. Finish by applying and verifying the wallpaper. Tap Apply or Sync, then wait for the transfer to complete on both devices. The watch should briefly show a progress indicator. Once done, glance at the home screen to confirm alignment and legibility. If the image looks off, recrop and re-upload. If transfer stalls, restart the Noisefit app and toggle Bluetooth, then try again. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection hiccups and gets your wallpaper set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.